Dollars pwede rin. Coach na. Ngayon ito mapicture.
Nice to swim because no sunburn. No side effect, kunya lipat na approve siya ma'am. Sapay sagol na glutathione.
Gang. Please, kubing din. Dili ko manaog. Yan daman siguro ito ninyo.
Kayo sir, program.
And I remember when we met and we began dating, and everything was 100% and we began dating, and then we went around when she gave me down ratings. We found the style and plenty food and another fight. She kept trying to leave and I know that's great. And somebody come the more she gravitated.
Oh, pwede yung buko sir.
No escape.
Ayan sir. Naked is dangerous to your hair.
Scientifically penetrating until she starts spiritually resonating. As only know she will and say she are no playing.
Sige, liklik ko. Dito ko din ma'am.
The king is designated.
Nice to swim.
As long as the deal I am negotiating. I know it's kind of deep but keep on concentrating. I was jazzing with the beat and I am penetrating. Several morning she shampoos my locks. Always have my back, she standing true to that. Me are the general and I'm a trooper that. Yo, run barefoot without the shoes and socks. She keep herself clean, me not gonna catch no rush. And she love me for real, me not fi have no cash. I tell a little thing and if my splish is splash. Hey, all this thing and it's like you forgot. Use cheddar as the bait and the recruiter got. So we listen couple speech of Martin Luther chat. Dennis Brown, Bob Marley and some super cats. Now it seem like she live outside the Duke shop. But she don't have a scratch, it's only beauty spot. When I want duty start is when one duty stop. 1 9 to 5, 1 5 to 12 o'clock. You see me? And I remember when we met and we began dating, and everything was 100% and we began dating. And then the women of my good, she give me down ratings. We come a style and plenty full and another one way. And she get her belly full and another part straight. And the closer we become, the more she gravitating. Until she buckle down and there is no escaping. Now we typically become an everyday thing. Regularly, physically communicating. Sexually, scientifically penetrating. Until she starts spiritually resonating. As me know she real and say she are no playing. She is the only queen, the king is designating. As long as the deal I am negotiating. I know it's kinda deep but keep on concentrating. Cause as in the beat and I am clearly stating.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, ubor kahit na. First time din, sir? First time. Ilang pa sir? Okay lang ba yung guide mo? Kung saan, sir, tayo ba yung guide mo?